So hello everyone. So in the previous videos, we've created the home page, the about us page, the course page, and also for blog, right? Created for blog. We've created for our course. We've created for about us, and we've created the home page, as you can see. So this video will be creating the contact us page. So we'll be creating the contact us page, and we'll be creating it just like we have created the other ones. So let's copy the about.html. Let's copy it and paste. Let's duplicate this. So let's rename this to contact. Contact. So open it with code editor. So this is the same thing we have in our about page. So as you can see, this is what we have in our about page. So we want to edit this to fit the contact page. So let's remove some things from here. Let's remove the about us content. This section, let's remove it. So let's change this to contact us. This H1 is about us. Let's change it to contact us. So contact us. So let's save and refresh and open this with a web browser. So contacts open with a web browser. So as you can see, this is it. So we only have the contact us and this footer. Let's go back to our code. So here will be, instead of about us, let's just change it to contact us. So let's add a section. So let's give it a class name. Let's give it a class name of location, because we want to add Google Map so that it can show us where we are, so that people can actually see where our business is located or whatsoever. So let's change the contacts. Alright. So for you to input Google Map, you have to connect to the internet. So for us to add the Google Map to show our location, let's go to Google. Just type Google Map. So just click on this first one, Google Maps. Then you select your location. So you can search for your location. Let's assume you are in Lagos, so you just search for Lagos. your business location is Lagos, just search for Lagos. Then it will bring Lagos. So this is Lagos. So where exactly are you in Lagos? So maybe a satellite town, or okay, so this is Lagos. So we're in Lagos, maybe Lekki. Just click on Lekki. So this is Lekki, this Lekki environment. So you, or wherever it is wherever is the place you stay, just look for it. So like I've selected Lekki as mine, or I can select Ikeja, right? So for you to get the link, click on share icon by your left hand side. This click on embed a map. So you can see here, copy HTML. Then go back to your HTML file. So after copying it, go to your HTML and add it here before the end of the section. Okay, so I'm trying to break it down so that we can all see. So save. So we've added this to our website, to our HTML, so that our visitors can actually see our location. So I actually picked Lagos, Lekki. So let's refresh our web page and see. By this time, you are connected to internet. So this contact us. Let's refresh and see. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so this is invalid. Let me check it again. Okay, so let me select it again. Now I've selected Ikeja. Let me select another place again, satellite town. Okay, so go to this share. So click on embed a map. So copy this part here, copy this HTML, then paste it in your HTML file. So let's paste, save and refresh. So refresh. So let's wait while it's loading. So after waiting a while, my network is actually slow, that's why it took a lot of time. So I have displayed that my location is satellite town in Lagos. So wherever it is you are staying, you can actually impute it. Look at it here. So look at it, is circled like this, satellite town. Can you see it? And you can see the environment close to it, the address close to satellite town. So you can see. So when a visitor should check your website, they can see your location from this your Google map. So the next thing is that we have to work on the Google map. So let's make it bigger, let's make it better. So let's go to our HTML file. So let's go to the so we want to make changes to this Google map. So let's copy the class name location and go to our CSS. So dot location, so width 80%, so width is 80%, margin auto, padding 80 pixel 0, then let's copy the location again. But this time around we're adding the iframe. So width 100%. So let's save and refresh. So as you can see, it has now displayed on the web page and is now bigger and is now better. So the next thing we're going to do is to add contact information on this our contact page. So let's go back to the HTML file. So let's create, after this section, at the end of this section, let's create on that section. So for this section, let's give it a class name. Let's say contact us. That's the class name for this. Then inside this section, let's create a div. Well, let's call the class row. So div.row. So inside this div, let's create another div. Let's call this class contact call. Okay, so let's copy this div because we need two column. Okay, so for this first one, we add a div. So in between here, we'll add a particular icon. So let's see, we have some icons already, like Facebook icon. So let's go up. Okay, so let's copy this icon here. This is the Facebook icon. So let's copy it and paste it within this div here. So, but we don't want Facebook to be the icon, so let's change this to home. So in between, let's bring a span. So let's bring H5. Then we'll write our address. So in this H5, we'll be writing the address. So let us say this is our address. So let's bring another P tag. So after this, let's copy the span from the div. So let's copy from this div here, from this div to this div here. Let's copy and duplicate for other things. Let's duplicate again. So that's 3 times so far. So for the first one, we wrote the for H5 we wrote the address. Then this is where you can find it. Then for this second one, we're not in this second one now. So instead of home here, let's add phone as the icon. Phone. So we want to put our phone number here. So H5 will be our phone number. So we can write here Monday to Fridays. The working hour is maybe 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So for the third one, so we've given icon for phone, icon for home. Then for this one, let's change it to envelope for email. Envelope/O. So our H5 here will be our email address. So you can say website at gmail.com. Then for the paragraph, the p tag, you can put email us your query. So after that, refresh your web, save and refresh your website. So as you can see by the left hand side, you can see what we just put now. You can see the icon for home, icon for telephone, and icon for envelope, email us. So we have to make changes to it in our CSS. So let's copy the class name, which is contact us. Contact us, copy it, then go to our CSS. So dot this. So let's add the width 80%, margin auto. So let's copy another one, contact call. Let's copy the second. So let's copy this contact call. So this. So flex basis 48%. So margin from the bottom 30 pixel. So now let's copy the class name again. Contact call. Now let's write div for div. So display flex align items center. So margin from bottom 40 pixel. So let's save and refresh our website. As you can see, there's space from the beginning of the website to where it is now. You can see there's no space. So let's design the items. So let's copy this. Then we'll write .fa because of the icons. .fa. So font size The font size, let's give it 28 pixel. Color, let's give it this color. So let's save and refresh. So as you can see, we have colored the icons. So let's add margin 10 pixel, margin right 30 pixel. So save and refresh. So this is what we have. So let's add CSS for the title. So let's copy this. So let's copy this for the paragraph, for the p text. So P. So padding to be 0. So let's copy it again. Then H5 for H5. Font size 20 pixel. Margin for the bottom 5 pixel. Margin from bottom 5 pixel. Color, let's give it this color. Then font width 400. So save and refresh. Save and refresh and let's see. So as you can see, it's looking better. So let's add something to the right hand side of the web page. This right hand side. So let's go to the second column from our contact HTML. We created 2 div the other time. So this is the second div. So in this div here, click on enter. Let's add the form. So for the form, let's give it a class. Class will be empty right now. Sorry, form action. Action to be empty for now. then input variable, input type, put test, then placeholder. This is what we display. So close it. So add required. So add required, so that they must put it so that it will show that is required. That means if they don't fill it, it cannot be submitted. So copy and replace. So for the second one, let's change it to email. Placeholder should be enter your email address. So for the third one, let's add the type is test. Placeholder should be enter your subject. So for this last one, let's click on test area. So rows 8, then placeholder, message, then it must be filled. So that's why it's showing, that's why I'm putting required. Then close it. So we have to add a button. So let's create a button. Button type, we submit. So the button type will be submit button. So class, we've given we have a button name already, which is hero btn, red btn. Red btn. So after that, close the button. Then in between here, send message. That is what the button will read. That is the text that will be on the button. So let's save and refresh the website and see. So as you can see, it is scattered. So we have to use CSS to arrange this. So look, enter your name, enter your email message. So copy the class name, contact call, and go to your CSS. Dots, must put dots. So after that, put input, because we are dealing with the form. So comma, then again copy this, then this time around add test area. So now this, so the width should be 100%, padding 15 pixel, margin bottom 17 pixel, outline none, border 1 pixel, solid, then the color should be, so after that, save and refresh your website. So let's see how it will be in our website. Okay, this enter your name is well, this is well, this is well, but this two is not well. So let's see what's wrong. So as you can see, we made the same mistake again. So here there should be dots here. Okay, so there should be dots here. So since we are calling the class name, it must be a dot. So I didn't put the dot. So I thought I copied it with the dots. Then there was a mistake there. I didn't copy with the dots. So now I put the dots. So save and refresh. So as you can see, it is not looking well now. So in this place, enter your name, enter your email, just like that. Then in the real sense, when you send message, you are supposed to receive a message on your email, or we'll get there. So let's open this on a smaller screen. So you can see there are some things that are not well here. So let's refresh the website. So this is our website is looking on the smaller screen. Okay, it's looking good, but this part is not actually okay. So you can see this part here, and this is touching. So let's see. So this website is not scrolling very well horizontally. It's scrolling horizontally, so we have to fix it. So let's go back to our CSS file. There's a place we talked about nav links in our media query. Nav links. So in this place here, the nav links here, we have to change this position from absolute to fixed. So you save. Refresh the website. So let's go down to this form. This form is touching. Let's go to our CSS file and come to the bottom. So let's add box sizing border box. So let's refresh and see. Let me save. So after adding box sizing border box, when you refresh your website, it should look good. So you can see here, so you can see all this enter your name is now well fitted, right? So for this email address is too long, so we can kind of reduce the name. So let me go to the contacts. So this is the website. Let me just give you a small name, or just a website. So let's save. Let's refresh. So you can see everything is well fitted right now, and it's looking well on the smaller screen. So as you can see, it's well fitted on the smaller screen. After making some changes on our CSS, we just added box sizing border box. Okay. So we've created all the pages. We've created the contacts, created the blog, the course, the about us, and the homepage. So we have to link them together. We have to link them together so that when you click on home, it will take you home. Click on about to take you to about. Look at it's still taking us to the same place. When you click on blog, it will take you to blog. And when you click on contact us, it should take you to contact us. So how do we link it up? So just stay calm and listen attentively. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss whenever I'm uploading any video. You can leave me a comment. So for us to link it up together, so we're in the contacts, we're in the contacts.html. So you will see the link we have created before now, this place here, this part here. So for this href, in this place here, you write index.html. We are trying to link them all together. Index.html. But that's our home page. So that's for home. Then from about.html. So for course.html. So for blog.html. For contacts. So we have to add this to all the other pages, the same thing. So we can just copy from here. We are trying to link it together. Copy here, go to course.html, go to where you have those links. So So just copy this and paste the other one. So save, for contact us save, then let's go to blog, do the same thing, just paste it, save, that's blog, then index.html, the same thing, so paste, save. So I think we've done everything. So save, make sure you save, save. So what this implies is that when you click on home page, it will take you to the home page. When you click on about, it will take you to the about. Whichever one you click on, it will take you to it. So let's confirm. Let me close all this. Now this is the home page, right? So let's click on home. This home. So let me click on the about page. Now this is the about page right now. So let me click on the course. So the reason why it's not displaying, I think I've not added the about. Okay, so let me open the about. So open with Studio Code. So this is the about us page. Everything is 5. So about, blog, course, contact, then index. So the about, let me see. I don't think I've added it. So yes, I have not. So now paste, then save. So let me repeat myself. I didn't paste this. I didn't link the about page to the other websites, other pages. That's why it didn't show. So let's go. Let's open it again. Let's open the index.html. So let's see if it has been properly linked. For the home page, to take us to the home page. So for the about us page, click on it to take it to the about us page. For the course page, to take it to the course page. For the blog page, to take it to the blog. As you can see. For the contact us page, to take it to the contact us page. So let me connect to the internet for this to show. So let me start from home again. This is home. About, course, blog. So let me go to contacts. So this contact. So alright, so it has displayed. This is how to link our websites, our pages together. So right now you can see this place here where it says enter your name. So let's say website. So your subject, so message, but if you send this message, you not send right now because we've not added a functionality to it. So for us to do that, let's listen attentively. So for us to do this, we have to add a PHP file. Let's create a PHP file. Okay, so new file. So let's say form handler. So form handler dot php dot php. So create file. So let's check the file. So as you can see, this is the file we just created now, form handler dot php. So we'll start with PHP codes like this. So let's duplicate this. Let's duplicate this. This will extract the visitor's email. So here we'll write visitor. Visitor email. So let's duplicate this too. So let's change to subject. It will extract the subject of the visitor. So subject like this. Then let's copy this again and change it to message to extract the message. So save, go to the contact page. So this is the contact page. So for this form action, so let's write the name of our PHP. So the name is form handler.php, so that we send the message to form handler.php. So after this, we write the method, which is post. So for this input place, after this text, we write name. So you put name. For the second one also, so name will be email. For the third one, name will be subject. Then for the last one, name will be message. So this is the full data that we'll receive in the PHP. So let's go back to the PHP file. So for the visitor email, write email here. For the subject, put subject. For the message, put message. So the next thing is email from. That's the email of the website. So our website name. So that's our domain name. Email from our website name. So let's say website design.com. Put semicolon. So let's add image subject. So for the image subject, we can write any subject we want, any message we want, equal to. So here you write new form submission. So for the email body, username, then /n to add a new line, full stop, so let's copy this and paste it again. So the name will now turn to email. So here you write visitor email. So in the next line, add subject. Subject, subject, so the next one will be user message. So here we'll have message. So we'll add semicolon here so that to stop here. So in the next one we'll add to. So where you want to receive the email. So I'll add my personal email here. So this is where you want to receive the email. So to then put semicolon, then write this headers, so from email, from /r /n, then put your semicolon. Sorry, change all this to / this, all this /, then this to /. Alright, so let's add another headers. So now be reply to, reply to. So you have visitor email. So the next thing we'll do is, let's try this mail. So to comma email, so that I can send it to the email ID, to our email ID there. So subject, that means to send both subject email email body, then headers, then put your semicolon. So save. After that, we add headers, header, then location, so once we'll get where we're receiving this message from is from the contacts.html, right? So that we're writing it here, .html. So after that, put semicolon, not here, semicolon here. So after all this, when you go to the contact page and a user sends a message, it's supposed to go to our, it's supposed to receive the message from our email. So let's see, let's send the message. So it didn't send any message. That's because our website is not yet online. That's one. But let's save. Let me save again. Save. Then the contact us. Save. Okay. Let me connect to internet again. So let me enter the information again. So let's say hello. Subject, okay. So let me send it, let's see. So as you can see, after sending this, we are supposed to receive a message on our email, but because our website is not yet online, we'll have this message like this. This is what we just entered in our PHP. So you see. So when we have put our website online, a user should send a message, we'll receive it directly on our mailbox. So if you can get to this point of my video, that means you've really had patience and you were able to study it very well and be calm. For you to get to this point of my video, that means it really took a lot of your time and a lot of patience, and a lot of dedication and hard work. So I congratulate you for reaching this point. If you can reach this point, then the next thing is just to upload on the website. That is very easy. So if you get to this point, I can do a video on how to make your website online. If you want me to do a video of that, give me a comment in the comment section, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, most importantly, and share my video to other people, so that they can also benefit from what you are benefiting. So that's the end of this video. So this is all we've done, and let's see the output. Click on index.html. Alright, so this is our output. About, course, this is our course, then this is our blog. So any question you have concerning this website, you can always ask me in the comment section. You can always ask me. I'm always here to give you a response and to provide solutions to any problem whatsoever. So thank you very much, and once again, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.